As the world opens a new chapter in artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, solutions are more intricate and span multiple industries. To address this, Intel is offering a set of Intel IoT market-ready solutions and Intel IoT RFP Ready Kits to the ecosystem.
Intel designed MRS program by pre-certified solutions so that we can accelerate the deployment of the IoT solutions across different marketplaces.
WPI is a member of WPG Holdings, the world's #1 and Asia top semiconductor distributor. As a window to all Intel's IoT solutions, we offer one-stop shopping to customers and the right mix of technology and hardware software edge-to-cloud solutions, even customization suggestion and Intel OpenVINO toolkit support.
Intel market-ready solutions are like convenient and effective toolboxes. WPI is the communicator that connects with all the industry partners, helping us to leverage the toolboxes more efficiently.
By integrating with the Intel MRS and receiving WPI support, we can benefit from the sharing of information between all our partners and enhance the depth and width of our client reach.
With Intel IoT.Solution.Aggregator WPI support, we can benefit from information sharing among strategic partners, brand awareness, and further broaden our client reach from Taiwan, China, to Southeast Asia in a short time.
WPI has been an Intel long-term partner in driving IoT business. We are confident with the dedicated team, with their footprints, we can accelerate the deployment of the MRS solutions across the region.
WPI as Intel IoT Solution Aggregator, we are the best channel to offer most diversified IoT solutions to address your business needs across multiple domains and applications. Please join us to explore the benefit of Intel MRS and RK, and let WPI to be the trust partners of your business.